Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam, and you're watching Unlimited Options Investing. This week in the markets was crazy volatile. Stocks, crypto, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, the NASDAQ, nothing was safe. Everything was red. Our trusty trend line from about a year and a half, ever since September of 2020, when we got that mini correction for a couple of months right before the election. That trend line that's been so trusty for so long got sliced right through this past week. It's been ugly. It's been pretty ugly in all corners of the market. Crypto right now, Bitcoin's sitting at $35,000, and it was at $50,000 just maybe a month and a half ago. It's been crazy volatile toward the downside. A lot of fear has found its way into the markets because of the Fed, inflation, interest rates. Meet Kevin, who probably has the biggest audience when it comes to finance on YouTube. As a retail investor, sold out of all of his stocks. So especially before this week where we have earnings, big names like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft are all reporting this week. In such volatile times, what's going to happen to the markets? Are we going to continue accelerating toward the downside? Or are we going to find some kind of consolidation base and then recover toward the upside? Or just kangaroo market and go sideways for a bit? It's anyone's guess. We'll just have to see. But in this video, let's take a look at which companies are reporting this upcoming week. And if this is your first time on the channel, welcome aboard and hit that subscribe button. Here at Unlimited Options Investing, we talk everything from stocks, crypto, options, ETFs, and we're investing for the long term. As always, smash the like button and let's get started. All right, so firstly, markets are expected to remain on edge as the Fed meets in the week ahead. So the Federal Reserve's meeting Tuesday and Wednesday is the big event for markets in the week ahead, with investors hoping for more guidance on the central bank's plan to raise interest rates. Earnings season is in full swing with about half of the Dow 30 stocks reporting, and reports expected from the biggest market cap stocks, Apple and Microsoft. And there is some important economic data in the week ahead, including the fourth quarter GDP and the personal consumption expenditure inflation data. So let's get right into it. The most anticipated earnings releases for the week beginning January 24th, 2022. So on Monday. In the morning, nothing too crazy. After the close, we have IBM, a legacy tech company. And really with IBM, is there going to be a turnaround story? They haven't been able to keep up with a lot of the more innovative companies over the past decade, more or less, let's say even 2 decades. A market cap of 116 billion, paying a yield of 5% a year, which is respectable, but you want to take into consideration the entire return on interest. You can't just look at dividend. And this is a company that has peaked 9 years ago, so let's see if there's some kind of turnaround. After the close, we also have Logitech, and the only reason I'm interested in this name is because I used to hold Corsair, which is a similar company to Logitech, so I'm interested to see how this one performs and if it has any impact on Corsair gaming. On Tuesday, before the open, we have a bunch of names: J&J, Johnson & Johnson. A lot of investors would argue is the best high-quality dividend stock. GE, which in the near future is going to split off into multiple smaller companies. Verizon is reporting. Let's see if they have anything to say about 5G and what's been going on in the United States. American Express, Lockheed Martin, 3M, Next Era Energy, and Raytheon. So a lot of industrial names, but really it's all about Tuesday afternoon when we have Microsoft reporting. And this name, amongst many, many others, especially in technology, has been a bloodbath, especially over the past month, down 13.56%. One of the darlings of the stock market. A lot of people thought Microsoft was on its way to $3 trillion at the end of 2021. However, billions of dollars of valuation being evaporated from the name, currently with a market cap of $2.2 trillion. So all eyes on Microsoft. Other names: Texas Instruments, Capital One, and Canadian National Railway. With Wednesday before the open, we have Boeing stock, which with the rest of the airline stocks have been struggling mightily, especially over the past couple of years. AT&T stock, which has gone pretty much nowhere, pretty much 20 years, even though they yield a very high dividend at almost 8%. Again, you want to look at the entire return on investment. We also have Abbott Laboratories, which is a high quality dividend name, but really, again, all eyes will be on after the close with Tesla stock at a market cap of $947 billion. So we definitely know that all eyes are going to be on that name. That same day, we have Intel reporting, and they've lost so much market share to AMD over the past half decade. Again, similar to IBM, we want to see some kind of turnaround story where they're gaining real ground. Until then, I can't invest in them because I don't have real conviction that they're going to be turning it around until I see something different. Lam Research, which is similar to Applied Materials or ASML, they're a semiconductor equipment manufacturer. But things get even more crazy on Thursday before the open. MasterCard, which is going to tell us a lot about consumer spending as well as McDonald's. And I actually really like McDonald's as a stock. If the stock was to ever fall significantly, I would love to pick up some McDonald's shares. We also have JetBlue, Dow, Altria, and Southwest. And after the close again, all eyes will be on Apple stock over the past month, down 10%, falling out of the $3 trillion club when it was its only member, now at $2.65 trillion. I mean, right now it's currently one of two members in the $2 trillion market cap. And again, because Apple and Microsoft make such a big portion of the NASDAQ and the S&P 500, these reports are going to have massive swings. There's going to be so much volatility in the markets this week, it's going to be crazy. Hold on to your seats, everyone. We also have names like Robinhood, Visa, again, will give us a good indication of consumer spending. And it'll be interesting to see Robinhood, currently at its 52-week lows, how their business is doing with stock trading volumes and crypto trading volumes with such volatility. Especially when there's also volatility in the fourth quarter back at the end of November and well into December. Western Digital, High Tide, and on Friday we have an oil name in Chevron, Caterpillar, which you can often find a lot of key indicators about the global economy, especially when you get numbers out of China. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let me know in the comments below which company you're most excited that's reporting earnings this upcoming week. Let me know in the comments. Good luck this week, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video.